Did you know one truck driver discovered his broker was stealing over $800 from every single load? Jake had been running freight for 3 years, accepting what seemed like decent rates from his regular broker. $2,000 for a Chicago to Atlanta run? Not bad, he thought. But then Jake found true rates and decided to investigate his own loads using verified broker documents. What he saw made his stomach drop. The shipper had actually paid $3,200 for that same Atlanta run. His broker pocketed $1,200 while Jake did all the work. Load after load, the story was identical. $800 to $1,000 skimmed off the top. Jake realized he'd been cheated out of over $40,000 that year alone. Armed with real rate confirmations, he confronted his broker with proof. No more take it or leave it games. No more lies about market rates. Today, Jake negotiates from power, earning an extra $600 per load. Knowledge changed everything.